everybody, it's Larry and welcome to today's video. And we've got an exciting new video for you that you're going to want to see, and you're going to want to pass this around to your friends because Ancestry has updated their ethnicity results. That's right. They've come out with another update. The last one was a year ago, and they've added a lot more regions since then, and now they've applied it to our DNA for our ethnicity results. And this is pretty exciting. So we're going to go here to the DNA results summary page, and we're going to look at the ethnicity estimate. So right here, when you go to this, it comes up and it says your updated estimate is here. And this is pretty cool. It says we've recently added more ethnicity populations, and so you may see some changes, and it reaffirms that the science doesn't change, but they get more refined regions. So we're going to explore our update. And when you come in here, the first thing I noticed from mine anyway is Iceland. That wasn't in the last report. And when I hover over it, you notice that Norway here highlights. So I'm going to hover over it, see Norway. Anything that I'm hovering over, it highlights over on the right. So I hovered over Iceland, and that means it's part of the Norwegian region. And that has gone on mine from 3% to 10%. And then also Sweden has gone from 3% to 6%. So what was a total of 6 is now a total of 16% for the Scandinavian countries. And my Scot-Irish went up 1%. And I honestly expect that that might go up a little more over time. The England, Wales, and Western Europe actually went down to compensate for that, and their Germanic Europe stayed pretty much the same. So I've got a brand new updated result, and you will too, and so will anybody that you know that also uses Ancestry. Now, the updates, I don't know if it's like some that roll out or if it was universal at one day and they just flip the switch, but if you don't have it immediately, look for it to happen really soon. Now, when you look at it, you want to learn more about this update, you can click on that and you can see your previous estimate. Now, I'm going to give you a little hint. Here's the previous estimate. It says 65, 23, 6, and you notice that Sweden was 3, Norway's 3. And you can click and download this as a PDF, and I recommend you do this. Now, the second time you come in and you see this, that's gone, but you can click on where it says updated. But when you come in like a future time, eventually this updated will go away. It will actually store in your cache that you've seen it, and that updated goes away. And so like the second or third time, you'll still be able to click on where it says updated and pop this down and then click on learn more about this and get your previous estimate. But they're probably going to update that sometime in the future where you can get to see the previous estimate and store it, because we're all going to want that. But it's something that, at least in my testing for this video, I found that after I had done 2 or 3 practice videos, by the time I got to the 4th one, this where it says updated was gone. So you're going to click on that, get your previous update, click view previous estimate, and go ahead and download your previous one, because I don't know how long you're going to be able to get that link until enough of us say, hey, we want to see the previous one. And the one before that, hopefully you've already updated it. So if you don't have the new update, grab your previous one, because the one you have now is about to change. All right. Well, there you have it. Brand new, hot off the press. I mean, it just happened for me. It just got the email, popped in my inbox, got alert I had a new email. It's from Ancestry, so I immediately jumped on to see what was new. And I can't imagine what would be more exciting, from Ancestry is, other than a brand new ethnicity estimate that they could release like that. So I thought that was really, really cool. I wanted to give this to you just as soon as it popped up. So go in, check out your brand new ethnicity estimate. See right here where the update says it's gone. So, you only get it so many times and then it doesn't show there. I don't know. I haven't cleared cache and come back to it because I wanted to finish this video and get it out to you. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, pass it around to your friends, because like I said, I don't think they've seen this yet and they're going to see this. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all listening, and you guys have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.